babona hiyo riding yabona.
No, but you tell you what's going on there. See, yesterday, I told you what's going on. And there's no phone issue. It's just, when someone is pitching.
But my nigga didn't even go out on Sunday. I just did the yard. And dog, the phone got lost at a party. That I was not dog. I don't plumb it no one day. Like, it's easy. So the phone just flew. But girl, I didn't even leave the house. Girl. Like, he gate and pumanga Sunday. And blow me later. So that's why I'm saying, I recover attend mfana cause akahutla after hours. Watlo nagana hore ka babale yabo. Ayibhekile ngicela ishaya.
For the editing. So guys,
Oh, this thing of yours, Jens, it's sitting here.
it will zip parity inside. So guys, you see 6-1. Guys, come here with the 350 for the tournament. There will be 10 players. Only top 3 will have prizes. One will gain 5% of the reward. One will gain 6%. And one will take 30%. Yes, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Channel
See you on the next episode, guys. You see this class my niggas playing on now. I will probably set up and like Manisha again.
Oh, yeah.
In front and back.
Yes, guys. Subscribe. Let's check the man of the match. It's Parker. So subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.